Alright guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. In today's video we're going to take a look at 5 common plants that 99% of us gardeners already grow, which from appearance you may not realize could cause serious harm or even be deadly. Now some of these plants might surprise you with just how common and available these are, and in the most cases are sold without any sort of warning label describing the dangers. Now when shopping for new plants, it is easy to get drawn in by the foliage or flowers without realizing the hidden dangers to humans and animals. So as we go through this list, put any that surprise you down in the comments and stick with us to the end, as the last 2 plants are the most toxic and could cause death. Now, when it comes to looking at plants, many of these plants we can find commonly growing around the UK and other parts of the world, and you may be surprised that underneath the hood could lie some serious toxins or dangers. Tulips being one of the first that we see sort of grown everywhere, one of the common loved by gardener plants in the spring. Lovely foliage and beautiful flowers on these, all sorts of pretty colors that you can get, but little known is that the fact the bulbs, stems, leaves and flowers are all toxic, which can cause an irritating rash. So of course you have to be very careful while handling these plants. The toxin inside is called a tulipsioid and is responsible for the itch or kind of irritation to the skin, otherwise known as tulip itch. Now, another one of these common plants that we do also see as a lovely spring interest plant would be your daffodils. Now, again, the lovely foliage and pretty flowers that we do get on these is such a draw-in for us, especially as new gardeners, as it's a bit of a plant and forget type of plant, providing us lovely flowers and interest in the spring. But of course, with this one, all parts are actually poisonous, and due to the alkaloids, it can cause stomach illness, diarrhea, vomiting, as well as heart and circulation problems. So again, you want to be a bit careful with these. Now, of course, these are generally sold as cut plants in supermarkets. One thing to worry about is cross-contamination onto food, so you just want to be very careful when you are handling these, as once again, you do not want to cross-contaminate or cause any sort of problems with any of the sap or anything like that. Another one here, which has beautiful, lovely flowers. We see these in all varying colors all around the UK. Most of it will flower most of the year, and of course is a highly sought after plant for most gardeners, which would be the hydrangea. Now with this again, all parts of the plant are poisonous. It does contain a cyanogenic glycosid, which can release cyanide when ingested. Now of course cyanide is probably not something we want to be ingesting, so it's certainly one to be aware of. Again, with this said though, it's not to put you off growing these plants, it's simply to be aware and to give yourself the idea of causing caution when you are handling or working around these plants. Another one to think about, and again is commonly found growing across the countryside in the UK, as well as even in most of our gardens, which would be the foxglove or common foxglove. Now these beautiful bell-shaped flowers, really lovely interest, and I do find I grow a few of these different varieties here. But again, all parts of the plant are poisonous, and if ingested, so of course keeping away from animals, kids, things like that. It does contain a cardiac glycosid, which if it takes effect, can cause problems with the heart and be fatal. So one of these ones that we want to be very, very cautious when growing in the garden, even though it has some stunning interest when we're looking at, providing some color pops and things in the spring. Now, one of the last ones here is your common rhododendron. Now, with the rhododendron plant, of course, another spring interest plant, lovely evergreen foliage, and lots of different color choices when it comes to flowers. Now, this one here, all parts are poisonous, and due to the toxins, which is a grainacide toxin, it can also cause severe heart problems and even be fatal again. So with that said, really I think part of the purpose of this video is just to say, not to put you off growing these plants, but just to make you aware that some of the common stuff that we actually grow you may not realize was actually toxic or poisonous. So just be wary with pets and children when growing these plants, and always handle these plants with care. Now with that said, we're going to be putting out a second part to this of some other plants, so if you're interested, certainly let us know down in the comment section below. The friends of the channel will be also in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed, feel free to do so. Join our amazing community. And with that said, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.